So if you are new to the channel, press the subscribe button and also the bell icon for the further updates. Last Sunday I went for a ride and then
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
it's fell down and थोड़ा स्क्रैचेस आ गया है कैमरा में. लकीली कैमरा को कुछ नहीं हुआ है, चल रहा है. Thank God. I never thought of uploading this, but being a vlogger I had to, cause content की कमी है boss. You know, when bad day starts, it ruins every single thing, and that day was one of the same. I don't know how, but my Gopro suddenly recorded entire vlog in narrow mode, which ruined every single thing in that vlog. आखिर कौन इंटरेस्टेड होगा पूरे वीडियो में सिर्फ स्पीडोमीटर देखने में. सो गाइस, उधर बॉबी खड़ा होके अपना सिनेमैटिक शॉट ले रहा है. मैं इधर अपने गोप्रो हेलमेट में माउंटेड है, मेरा बाइक उधर है. लेकिन टाइम लैप्स जो है मैं यहाँ पे अपना मोबाइल को इतना रिस्क में डाल के ले रहा हूँ, तो इस बात के लिए एक लाइक तो बनता है. It's been raining since 5 or 6 days continuously, non-stop.
कुछ भी.
So I use this particular mount to record myself from here, and it got a suction cup over here, but unfortunately I don't know how it came off, and I dropped my GoPro while riding the bike, and yes, a new accessory added. I was riding the bike at the speed of 60 km per hour approx, and it fell off, and guess कैसे मेरा GoPro बच गया. So I bought this from Amazon around 200 rupees. I don't recommend to anyone to buy this cause मैं झेल चुका हूँ, but if anyone wants to buy, I will share the link in the description box. Do check it out. And ये ऐसे मैं लगाता था. And it's quite tight. I don't know how that day it just came off and I dropped my GoPro. और इसे खींचोगे नहीं आने वाला. Might be my bad day. So main reason behind this video is to warn you to not to use this particular mount while riding your bike to shot any kind of video. And secondly, wanted to try something different this time. and also wanted to share my dropping experience of my GoPro while riding my bike with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to develop on my vlogging skills, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel guys. And before leaving, check out my other videos. We'll share the playlist at the end screen and also in the description box. New more interesting vlogs and motor vlogs coming soon. So see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.